Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Shyam Isaiah. I hope you're doing great. So in the last month, I had invested 90,000 in Ajanta Pharma and stock went up more than 45% from where I brought it. But unfortunately, I was able to book close to 12% in this trade and stock gave me close to 11,000 in profits. But I missed to make more than 30,000 in this trade. It was my mistake. So I mainly share this video to you guys that you may learn from my mistake and not do the same mistake again. So holding a profitable trades can double your trading profits and it will boost your confidence also when you hold a trade longer. So in this video I'm going to share how you can hold your profitable trades by using a simple method. So I would have lost 30,000 in surplus but learned something which has helped me in my trading career. So I'll explain the logic behind the trade and simple methods that you can use to hold your profitable trades. If you're watching the video for the first time, please do mind liking the video and subscribe. Hello friends, this is Ajanta Pharma on weekly time frame. So what do you see on the weekly time frame? So you see the stock, when the stock gave a breakout over this place, a triangle breakout, the stock rallied, right? The stock was in a continuous uptrend and then the stock went up again, right? 50%. So what do you see on the weekly time frame? So you see just a simple channel pattern, right? Yeah. If you don't know how to draw a channel pattern, please do watch my trading strategy video that I've shared earlier, that you may learn something. Coming back to this trade, this is the proper adjustments. We see one touch here and second touch and see third, fourth, fifth and sixth, right, on the downside. And whereas on the top side we see 1, 2 and 3 touches on the top side, right? So what was my game plan behind the trade? So when the stock came here and made a kind of a double bottom, right, you see a double bottom. So my analysis was the stock, when the stock comes here, I would buy here and sell it exactly over this place. So this was all the analysis that I had in my mind. So where was my entry? So my entry was exactly on this good looking big bar candle. So what does this candle signifies? A good buying pressure of the buyers, a sign of buying by the big players. So how come this is a good looking green color candle, and when there is a red color candle, the stock went down but unable to close below this low. You see a wick on the downside, it didn't close it there and the stock fell. And again, the stock, when it recovers, it makes a good looking green color candle. So I ended exactly at this place. So I kept my stop loss exactly on the low of this candle and my target was at this place. So I made 1:3 on this trade. So what does 1:3 mean? So for every risk of 1,000 rupees, I'm gonna gain 3,000 rupees as a profit. So what happened? The stock went up, right? So I exceeded exactly my all the quantities at this place. But if I hold the stock, I could have made more than 40,000 in this trade, but I missed it. So what is that simple method to hold onto a profitable trade? So you're gonna just follow 50% rule. What is that 50% rule? So at the time of when the stock hits this profits, right, when the stock hit the profit at this place, I'm gonna exit 50% of my quantities, and where I'm gonna exit the remaining 50% of my quantities. So the remaining 50% of my quantities, I'm gonna exit 50%. Like how? Say for example, if I have 100 quantities at this place, right, and first when it hits my target, I'm gonna sell 50% of my quantities, and then remaining I have how much? I have 50%, right? So in this 50%, I'm gonna sell again 50% at this place. When I see a good red color candle, right, I'm gonna sell at this place 50%, that is 25 quantities, right? 25%. And then so I'm gonna sell exactly at this place again 25%, that is it'll come 10 or 12, and then at this place 12 quantities, 13 quantities. So this is how you're gonna play up the game safely, or you can make utilize your profitable trades greater and greater. So if you're liking the video, please do subscribe and follow for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.